We're giving the vessel to Commissioner Weston and his team, and they might decide. I would like to commandeer the vessel, but the boat. But I think for the first time, we'll give it to the Commissioner Western Division, and they'll identify a village where they'll send the boat to. But then they'll keep in touch with you to tell you where they've sent the boat and what it's been used for. Hopefully they're going to use it for an IGP, income generating projects. But I want to thank you and your team again. And you know that the Commissioner Western, his team, the Commissioner Eastern, the Commissioner Northern, the Commissioner Central gave apologies because we're starting to have floods in the Central Division. But we're all interested not only in this project, but also in the hands of this man safely. Because we hope to not only use this in the Western Division, but to train youth around the 4 divisions, while he's still alive and breathing. But thank you very much on behalf of the Ministry of Rural Development. I want to thank you very much for a wonderful initiative. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nakabole, Jeff. Thank you.
Simon Corey. Levi Singer. Su Zia Sin. Song Yim Tong.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Xian Yu Qian.
Thank you.
笑我笑，然后。